What? Hawaii clear plumping gloss. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video we're gonna be filming another Dollar Tree beauty haul. I know in my last Dollar Tree video it was a mix of home items and beauty. This time it's strictly beauty. I have found so many new items and summery items, but you guys, tell me why I just literally woke up not too long ago with a full face of makeup on still, but I made sure not to lay on my face because I usually lay on my face. I was so freaking tired. I took a 2-hour nap. Then after my nap, I was craving tacos, so I had my tacos, and then I realized, oh my gosh, I have to film this video for you guys. So yeah, now I'm just here filming it. And I had a massive headache earlier. I had to take a nap before I started filming. Before we get started, let me know in the comments if you guys recently found any new Dollar Tree beauty items or anything new at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna start off with this bag, and I can't believe I have found this at the Dollar Tree. I have found this cute sun hat. And this is like literally so cute. Imagine with my hair down, or if my hair was like in a bun and have it like slanted like this. Like, this is a look. You can seriously do a photo shoot with this hat. This is the ladies straw hat. The head circumference is 22.4 inches. I did get this for $3, but for this to be only $3 instead of $5, I really think this was a steal. Quality of it is not that bad, honestly. Next, I have found these flowers. I think it's called 𝐆𝐴𝐵. I don't know the proper name. If you do, please let me know. I think I want to do something with these. I don't know yet, but I got them just in case, and they were only $1.25, and it comes with 3 of them. They had different colors, but I decided to get the pink and yellow. This is so cute, very Hawaiian, very tropic. Oh, looks like I'm on a vacation going to Hawaii. Oh, and my earrings too. On to the next bag, and I have to show you guys this next product. I could not believe my eyes when I saw this. The brand Spa Luxury at Dollar Tree came out with a whole dupe of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. What? Look at this. I literally just got this. Are you serious? Like, oh my gosh. Like, I just knew from far away the packaging. I'm like, ain't no way this is a whole inspired Sol de Janeiro body cream. But the name on this one is the Brazilian Soul Body Butter Pistachio and Caramel. You guys, oh my gosh, we gotta smell it together. I had already smelled it while I was there, but I need to smell it again. What? Oh, you guys, oh my gosh, they literally smell identical. Obviously they can't just copy the whole thing, you know, but they pretty much smell like the same. Let's have a comparison. You can see that both of these are thick. Okay, thick. The color is different. Yeah, this one is more sweeter in the texture. Like, you can see that this is thick. It's probably not gonna last as long as the Sol de Janeiro, but if you ran out of your Sol de Janeiro, you can easily pick this one up at the Dollar Tree. But the thing is, I don't know how long this would be around. I don't know if it's only for the summertime. Maybe you gotta pick up 2 or 3 of these just in case, especially if you use it all the time. But this smells good. It doesn't really give me any shine or anything like that, but the smell and the packaging, yeah. Next, I had to get more of my Barbie tissues. I had already put them away because I use these literally all the time, every single day, and I just really like the Barbie tissues. This is something that you guys have to have in your car, your vanity. It comes with 8 different packs with 10 tissues inside each of them. Another item that I restock up on all the time is the Be Pure regular pads with organic cotton. I like the size of this one. It's not too short and it's not too long. The perfect size for when my period is about to end. These are really good. It's infused with aloe and lavender. No dyes, no chlorine, and no added fragrance. This is how it looks. Once you open it, it looks like this, and it also comes with wings. And I wonder, why do they still make pads that don't have any wings? I feel like they're pointless because they're just gonna be moving and sliding, and Ugh, I just remember dealing with pads that had no wings. It was just so annoying. Next, I have found these two foot masks, and I use foot mask all of the time, at least once a week or twice a week. It keeps all the moisture in, and it just keeps my feet super soft. I found these ones that have like a tropical vibe to them. This one is tropical coconut exfoliating foot mask. So is this one. Oh shoot, oh my gosh, I thought I had got these foot masks for like moisturization, but these are peeling. Okay, I'm gonna still keep these because why not? This is a peeling foot mask. You leave these on for 20 minutes. Within the next few days, your feet will start to peel off the dead skin. I actually need to do this. Maybe this is my sign for me to do this. I haven't done one of these in like a year. You know what? Maybe I should do one this week. Okay, this is the foot mask that would moisturize my feet that I usually get. This is by Be Pure. This is the foot mask, soothing lavender scent. The socks have hearts all over it. This is actually a foot mask that will lock in all the moisture that I was talking about earlier. You can leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes, but me, I like leaving mine on for like an hour or so. But these work pretty good, and I get these two all the time, so this is like another restock item. I really needed to get a new toothbrush protector. I like using these, and I like the smell of them too. When your toothbrush is in the bathroom, you don't want no poop particles from the toilet flushing onto your toothbrush. That's nasty. I just think about that all the time, and I'm just like, ugh, like I can't believe I never used these before. Like, ew. I had to get this brow pencil for my mom because she really likes how this one works for her brows. This one is her color better for her brows. It's in the shade medium, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Hopefully she doesn't get annoyed by that, but just in case, if you guys are curious on how the color looks, this one has the spoolie, and the spoolie is pretty good too. It's more on the light brown side. This is how the color looks. Matches her brows way better than the black. Next, from the brand ioni, they came out with this ultra hold brow glue, and you guys know I take my brows very seriously. I do have long, thick, natural brows, so it's very essential for me to have a really nice glue. ioni has a lot of good makeup products, so I really want to try this one out for my brows. It has a strong hold glue, dries down natural, non-sticky finish, and it will stay in place all day. ioni Glampalooza Stardust. Okay. Oh, and it shows you how to apply it on right here. Oh, okay. Cute. It has like the flowers, and it has this really long applicator. That's interesting. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything, but I didn't realize that the brush would look like this. Like, it's really thin. Oh wait, it has like a stickiness, but it's gonna dry down natural. I may do a TikTok with this, so make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok. I do post a lot of my short film beauty content on there, so if you guys want to know if this works for my brows, let me know and I'll post a TikTok. That could definitely be a dupe. But the next product that I have from ioni is their lip plumper gloss. I already have one of their plumping glosses. I think it was called Chili or something, but this is their clear plumping gloss, and it says plump it up, high shine, moisturize, paraben free, and it says on the bottom with the chili pepper, hot alert, feel the spicy heat, get the plump lips. Yeah, I know this is gonna work. And I just like how they came out with a clear one because I really wanted a clear one. The red one was cute, but I'm more of a clear gloss when it comes to plumping, especially knowing that my lips do turn color already once the plumping starts happening. But look at this gloss. I really like the packaging, and I love the pink top on it, and I kind of want to take off my lip combo. You know what, we're gonna test this out right now. I do have lip liner on. I want the lip liner to stay. It smells spicy but sweet. Okay. We're gonna let this sit and see how it makes my lips look, if it gives them like a good plump. Brand just for her, and I haven't seen this brand at my local Dollar Tree, so I'm assuming this is new. Let me know if you guys already have this at your local Dollar Tree. This is individually wrapped flushable cleansing wipes for sensitive skin. I'm so happy that I found this because I love throwing these types of wipes in my purse. Sometimes I leave them in the bathroom, but I already have wipes in the bathroom. But this is perfect for traveling, throw in your bag, you know, stuff like that. Our wipes are made with plant-based fibers and are flushable per INDA guidelines. Wipes stay moist longer, ideal for on the go, in the office, or at the gym. Fits in your purse or pockets, easy to share and convenient. These are how the wipes look, and it comes with a pack of 12. I had got this dispenser pump, and I think I want to put my toner in here. I know some people put their acetone or nail polish remover in here, but I think I just want to use this for my toner. For some reason my toner leaks, so that gets really annoying. So I'm just gonna put my toner in this pink bottle. They also had purple and blue, but of course I'm gonna go with the baby pink, and I'm just gonna take a cotton pad and put it on there like that. These are how my lips are looking. I really thought my lips would be more red, but this is actually the perfect plumping gloss if you don't want your lips to be too big but still have a slight plump to them. Yeah, where's that gloss at again? Yeah, this is it right here. I still feel that tingly sensation, but I just really like how this didn't make my lips too red. If you guys stayed towards the end of this video, let's comment a tree emoji. That'll just let me know that you guys love watching these types of videos from me. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.